the Hul definitely is a major part of those, and this exhibition not only showcases Hul or revolution among the Adivasis and how it is remembered, but also it showcases different kinds of literary, poems, riddles, फिर jokes, illustrations, family planning, and that sort of thing. And it dates almost from 1931 to 1970s.
ᱡᱚᱦᱟᱨ ᱜᱮ
Johar.
ᱱᱚᱰᱮ ᱱᱤᱭᱟᱹ ᱫᱤᱱ ᱧᱟᱢ ᱦᱩᱭ ᱠᱟᱱᱟ ᱠᱳᱞᱠᱟᱛᱟ ᱱᱟᱞᱟ ᱨᱮ ᱟᱨ ᱧᱩᱛᱩᱢ ᱛᱟᱢ
Inyang nyutum da Rahi Soren.
ᱟᱨ ᱪᱮᱫ ᱮᱢ ᱪᱤᱠᱟᱹᱭᱟ
In the Jadavpur University rin pahau hua.
ᱮᱰᱢᱤᱥᱚᱱ ᱞᱟᱹᱜᱤᱫ ᱱᱚᱰᱮ ᱟᱞᱮ ᱞᱮ ᱦᱮᱡ ᱠᱟᱱᱟ ᱞᱟᱹᱭ ᱨᱮᱭᱟᱜ ᱠᱟᱛᱷᱟ ᱢᱤᱫᱵᱟᱨ ᱠᱟᱛᱷᱟ ᱵᱚᱱ ᱟᱸᱡᱚᱢᱟ ᱱᱚᱰᱮ ᱪᱮᱫ ᱪᱮᱫ ᱮ ᱤᱭᱟᱹᱭᱮᱫᱟ ᱪᱮᱫ ᱱᱚᱰᱮ ᱟᱨᱠᱤ ᱩᱫᱩᱜ ᱞᱟᱹᱜᱤᱫ
Ado aima sara hej kana pe. Node exhibition do kana Hul hilo tihin. তবে 15 ᱥᱮᱨᱢᱟ ᱞᱟᱦᱟ ᱠᱷᱚᱱ ᱜᱮ ᱟᱵᱚᱣᱟᱜ ᱡᱟᱦᱟᱸ ᱢᱟᱨᱮ ᱯᱩᱛᱷᱤ ᱠᱚ ᱢᱮᱱᱟᱜ ᱛᱟᱵᱚᱱᱟ, ᱯᱩᱛᱷᱤ ᱯᱟᱛᱷᱟᱢ ᱜᱟᱭᱟᱱ, ᱚᱱᱟ ᱠᱚ ᱡᱟᱦᱟᱸ ᱢᱟᱨᱮ ᱚᱨᱮ ᱚᱱᱟ ᱠᱚᱫᱚ ᱟᱫᱚ ᱵᱟᱝ ᱛᱟᱦᱮᱱ ᱠᱟᱱᱟ, ᱟᱹᱰᱤ ᱠᱚᱢ ᱦᱚᱲ ᱴᱷᱮᱱ ᱜᱮ ᱢᱮᱱᱟᱜᱼᱟ. ᱟᱵᱚ ᱱᱚᱣᱟ ᱠᱚ ᱰᱤᱡᱤᱴᱟᱭᱡᱮᱥᱚᱱ ᱨᱮᱱᱟᱜ ᱢᱤᱫᱴᱟᱝ ᱯᱨᱚᱡᱮक्ᱴ ᱦᱟᱛᱟᱣ ᱦᱩᱭ ᱞᱮᱱᱟ. ᱚᱱᱟ ᱨᱮᱱᱟᱜ ᱫᱚ ᱯᱷᱟন্ডিং ᱫᱚ ব্রিটিশ লাইব্রেরি ᱠᱷᱚᱱ ᱧᱟᱢ ᱞᱮᱱᱟ. তো ᱚᱱᱟ ᱠᱚ ᱡᱟᱦᱟᱸ ᱠᱚ ᱠᱚᱨᱟᱣ ᱦᱩᱭ ᱞᱮᱱᱟ ᱟᱨ ᱱᱮᱛᱚᱨᱟ অস্ট্রো লাইব্রেরি ᱦᱚᱸ ᱪᱟᱞᱟᱣ ᱦᱩᱭ ᱞᱮᱱᱟ নরওয়ে ᱨᱮ. তো ᱩᱱᱠᱩᱣᱟᱜ ᱡᱟᱦᱟᱸ ম্যানুস্ক্রিপ্ট ᱠᱚ ᱢᱮᱱᱟᱜᱼᱟ, তো ᱚᱱᱟ ᱠᱚ ᱟᱛᱮᱫ ᱜᱮ ᱱᱚᱣᱟ এক্সিবিশন ᱫᱚ. ᱟᱨ ᱡᱟᱦᱟᱸ ᱞᱮᱠᱟ হুল ᱨᱮᱱᱟᱜ ᱠᱟᱛᱷᱟ ᱱᱚᱣᱟ এক্সিবিশন ᱨᱮ ᱢᱮᱱᱟᱜᱼᱟ, ᱚᱱᱟ ᱥᱟᱶ ᱥᱟᱶᱛᱮ ᱟᱵᱚᱣᱟᱜ ᱥᱮᱨᱮᱧ, ᱟᱵᱚᱣᱟᱜ ᱞᱟᱠᱪᱟᱨ, ᱟᱵᱚᱣᱟᱜ ᱡᱟᱦᱟᱸ ᱱᱟᱜᱟᱢ, লিটারেচার নাগাম, পুঁথি পাথাম করেনাক নাগাম, ওনা কো সাব দহ লাগি নোয়া এক্সিবিশন ᱫᱚ ᱠᱚᱨᱟᱣ.
ᱢᱮᱱᱫᱟ ᱚᱥᱞᱳ ᱯᱮ ᱪᱟᱞᱟᱣ ᱚᱥᱞᱳ ᱪᱟᱞᱟᱣ ᱪᱮᱫ ᱪᱮᱫ ᱯᱮ ᱧᱟᱢ
ᱤᱧ ᱫᱚ ᱮᱠᱞᱟ ᱜᱤᱧ ᱪᱟᱞᱟᱣ ᱞᱮᱱᱟ. ᱟᱫᱚ ᱵᱟᱨ ᱴᱷᱮᱱ ᱪᱟᱞᱟᱣ ᱦᱩᱭ ᱞᱮᱱᱟ. ᱢᱤᱫᱴᱟᱝ ᱫᱚ ন্যাশনাল লাইব্রেরি অফ নরওয়ে আর মিᱫᱴᱟᱝ ᱫᱚ কোপেনহেগেন ইউনিভার্সিটি. তো ᱚᱱᱟ লাইব্রেরি ᱨᱮ ᱡᱟᱦᱟᱸ ᱧᱮᱞ ᱦᱩᱭᱱᱟ, ᱚᱱᱟ ᱫᱚ ᱟᱹᱰᱤ ᱢᱟᱨᱮ ᱯᱟᱛᱷᱟᱢ ᱯᱩᱛᱷᱤ ᱠᱚ ᱥᱮ ᱢᱮᱱᱩᱥᱠᱨᱤᱯᱴ ᱠᱚ ᱛᱤᱛᱮ ᱚᱞᱟ, ᱡᱟᱦᱟᱸ ᱢᱟᱨᱮ ᱚᱱᱚᱞᱤᱭᱟᱹ ᱥᱮ ᱚᱱᱚᱲᱤᱭᱟᱹ ᱟᱵᱚ ᱤᱧᱫᱩᱧ ᱯᱟᱸᱡᱟᱭᱮᱫ ᱛᱟᱦᱮᱸᱫ, ᱠᱷᱚᱸᱫᱽᱨᱚᱭᱮᱫ ᱛᱟᱦᱮᱸᱫ ᱤᱧ ᱟᱵᱚ ᱠᱩᱲᱤ ᱦᱚᱯᱚᱱ ᱠᱚᱭ ᱠᱚ ᱚᱞ ᱠᱟᱫᱟ. ᱛᱚ ᱡᱚᱛᱚᱠᱷᱚᱱ ᱢᱟᱨᱮ ᱡᱟᱦᱟᱸᱧ ᱧᱟᱢ ᱠᱮᱫᱮᱭᱟ ᱩᱱᱤ ᱫᱚ ᱥᱳᱱᱟ ᱢᱩᱨᱢᱩ. ᱩᱱᱤᱭᱟᱜ ᱢᱤᱫᱴᱟᱝ ᱛᱤᱛᱮ ᱚᱞ ᱯᱮᱭᱟ ᱯᱩᱱᱭᱟ ᱜᱟᱱ ᱚᱞ ᱟᱨ ᱪᱤᱴᱷᱤ ᱥᱟᱠᱟᱢ ᱱᱚᱣᱟ ᱠᱚ ᱢᱮᱱᱟᱜᱼᱟ. ᱚᱱᱟ ᱠᱚᱧ ᱧᱟᱢ ᱠᱮᱫᱟ. ᱟᱨ কোপেনহেগেন ইউনিভার্সিটি রেদᱚ ᱟᱵᱚᱨᱮᱱ ᱢᱟᱱᱚᱛᱟᱱ সন্তোষ সোরেন, উনি সাং কুকলি রপর হইনা, উনিয়াᱜ ইন্টারভিউ হাতাও হইনা, আর উনিয়াতে অল রেনাᱜ ᱥᱟᱱᱟ ᱢᱮᱱᱟᱜ ᱛᱤᱧᱟ. ᱛᱚ ᱩᱱᱤᱭᱟᱜ ᱯᱩᱛᱷᱤ ᱦᱚᱸ ᱧᱟᱢᱱᱟ. ᱚᱱᱟ ᱯᱩᱛᱷᱤ ᱨᱮ ᱚᱞ ᱢᱮᱱᱟᱜᱼᱟ ᱡᱮ ᱚᱥᱞᱳ ᱨᱮ ᱪᱮᱫ ᱪᱮᱫ ᱠᱚ ᱢᱮᱱᱟᱜᱼᱟ ᱥᱮ ᱚᱱᱟ ᱨᱮᱱᱟᱜ ᱠᱩᱨᱩᱢᱩᱴᱩᱭ ᱠᱚᱨᱟᱣ ᱞᱮᱫᱟᱭ. ᱛᱚ ᱚᱱᱟ ᱠᱷᱚᱱ
ᱛᱤᱱᱟᱹᱜ ᱢᱟᱨᱮ ᱰᱚᱠᱩᱢᱮᱱᱴᱥ ᱮᱢ ᱧᱟᱢ ᱫᱟᱲᱮᱭᱟᱜᱼᱟ, ᱛᱤᱱᱟᱹᱜ ᱢᱟᱨᱮ
ᱡᱚᱛᱚ ᱥᱟᱠᱟᱢ ᱠᱚᱨᱮᱱᱟᱜ ᱥᱟᱞ ᱫᱚ ᱚᱞ ᱫᱚ ᱵᱟᱝ ᱱᱩᱜᱼᱟ. ᱛᱚ 1905 ᱫᱩᱧ ᱫᱤᱥᱟᱹᱭᱮᱫᱟ. ᱟᱫᱚ ᱡᱚᱛᱚᱠᱷᱚᱱ ᱢᱟᱨᱮ ᱫᱚ 1905 ᱜᱤᱧ ᱫᱤᱥᱟᱹᱭᱮᱫᱟ, ᱠᱤᱱᱛᱩ ᱟᱨᱚ ᱢᱟᱨᱮ ᱦᱚᱸ ᱛᱟᱦᱮᱸ ᱫᱟᱲᱮᱭᱟᱜᱼᱟ. 1905 ᱨᱮᱫᱚ ᱱᱚᱣᱟ ᱟᱵᱚᱣᱟᱜ ᱡᱟᱦᱟᱸ হাউ টু রাইট ᱥᱟᱱᱛᱟᱞᱤ ᱤᱱ ᱨᱳᱢᱟᱱ স্ক্রিপ্ট ᱱᱚᱣᱟ ᱧᱟᱢ ᱠᱟᱱᱟ. ᱱᱚᱣᱟ ᱢᱤᱫᱴᱟᱝ এগ্রিমেন্ট ᱡᱟᱦᱟᱸ মিটিং লেকাতে ᱦᱩᱭ ᱞᱮᱱᱟ. বোর্ডিং সাহেবে তাহে কানা, আরো এটাᱜ হড় হকো তাহে কানা, উনকুয়াᱜ কোলে সাহেব জাহাᱸᱭ উনিয়াᱜ তিতে ᱚᱞ. ᱚᱱᱟ ᱱᱚᱰᱮ ᱟᱵᱚᱣᱟᱜ এক্সিবিশন ᱨᱮᱦᱚᱸ ᱢᱮᱱᱟᱜᱼᱟ, ᱧᱮᱞ ᱫᱟᱲᱮᱭᱟᱜᱼᱟ ᱯᱮ.
ᱞᱟᱹᱭᱫᱟ
onde onde do alada kete hul niye all hoi kana un jokhan ho hoi kana kintu ona kami to bain chalao kana to ona do kintu apo online re bo nyam daria hul niye hobo nyel ka gya arki puthi ko je cheleka hul hoile na hul rena disha se sona murmui olda je poilo jokhon sahib ko hijuk kana cheleka ko nyamok kana ona ko katha ho all nyam
अच्छा नोआ जहां पे आपे में कमी का तबन अब जहां पपड़ हा उदी का को नाम
abo netar information rena jug re abo do joto ge ti samang re nyam rena mitang sana menak tabon to katha do noa mobile jokhan sari ge noa ko abo do ti saban bon nyam abo do tinok bon padhao da se tinok bon khondrok kana ona do abo chetan re nirbhor hoise
को नाम माने नोआ पे कमी का
oi baria QR code ᱤᱧ ᱮᱢ ᱠᱟᱫᱟ ᱱᱚᱰᱮ ᱢᱤᱫᱴᱟᱝ ᱫᱚ ᱤᱧᱟᱹᱜ ᱯᱨᱚᱡᱮᱠᱴ ᱨᱮᱱᱟᱜ QR code ᱟᱨ ᱢᱤᱫᱴᱟᱝ ᱫᱚ ᱚᱥᱞᱳ ᱞᱟᱭᱵᱨᱮᱨᱤ ᱨᱮᱱᱟᱜ QR code ᱱᱚᱣᱟ ᱵᱟᱨᱭᱟ QR code ᱠᱷᱚᱱ ᱜᱮ ᱱᱚᱣᱟ ᱵᱟᱨᱭᱟ ᱢᱟᱨᱟᱝ ᱟᱨᱠᱟᱭᱵᱷᱟᱞ ᱠᱷᱚᱸᱫᱽᱨᱚ ᱨᱮᱱᱟᱜ ᱰᱟᱣᱩᱱᱞᱳᱰ ᱠᱟᱛᱮᱫ ᱯᱮ ᱯᱟᱲᱦᱟᱣ ᱫᱟᱲᱮᱭᱟᱜᱼᱟ ᱟᱭᱢᱟ ᱯᱩᱛᱷᱤ ᱯᱟᱛᱷᱟᱢ ᱛᱤᱛᱮ ᱚᱞᱟᱜ ᱠᱚ ᱢᱮᱱᱟᱜᱼᱟ To start with, this exhibition is part of the project that was started around 4 years ago, roughly, a bit more, perhaps 5 years, where we started to document and archive old manuscripts. So the search was for quite some time, and we found contributors like W. Shoren, Mahadev Hasda, Sushil Bashke, who had been collecting these documents for like their entire lives, in fact. So the whole definitely is a major part of those, and this exhibition not only showcases whole or revolution among the Adivasis and how it is remembered, but also it showcases different kinds of literary, poems, riddles, jokes, illustrations, family planning, and that sort of thing. And it dates almost from 1931 to 1970s, 75%. So I've named this exhibition Devon Tigun Adivasi Beat after the famous poem by Sadhu Ramchand Murmu. And you would also note that it's almost 5 script in which Santali is written, and it is also gets reflected in the exhibition. So there's Devanagari script where Hor Sambad is published. There's Bangla a lot where Tetra is published. So there's Roman scripts with diacritics where the missionaries basically started the first Santali press in Benegaria mission in Benegaria, which is unfortunately is in ruins now. So you can also use the QR codes Benegaria in Jharkhand. Yeah, so now Jharkhand. Yeah. So you can scan the QR codes here. Most of it is available online, downloadable, and usable for research. So one QR code is for our digitization project, and another code is the Santali Manuscript and Cultural Heritage in National Library of Norway, which is in Oslo. So I had the opportunity to visit there and get some rare documents, digitally as well as physically. Yeah, so let's. Yeah, in fact, Oslo has the largest manuscript collection of Santal. India doesn't. India, I'm like starting. Yeah. So let's get inside. Bola.
This QR leads us to your project.
Yes.
So the stuff that's here.
Yes.
রাইট
বলো।
দেবন্তিকোন আদিবাসীর মানে কি?
মানে হচ্ছে ওই যে শেষে লেখা আছে দেখো, let us stand together O brave Adivasi.
Let us stand together. Oh, brave Adivasi. Let us stand.
Chalo. So there are also, leaflets. I mean, a bit of printed document that we have prepared to assist in this, because there are many languages in which the documents are. There's Santali, there's English, there's Norwegian, and there's Hindi, Bangla, of course.
What are these mudras for? Why
So-
were they used?
So this is basically from Dhadwa, and the collection that we have is from 1931 to 1936. But W. Babu told Dhadwa is like awaz. I mean a call. So yeah, this is an excerpt of that, which shows shadow, dancing shadows.
Yeah, that's what I felt.
Yeah, and you can see here Gede, and this says at the bottom कि आपे भितरी जानवर को रिया ना साप नेल दाड़े आपे माँ बिडो लेगाते. So they are saying that look at the animal figures that are present, and definitely those are colonial times, and you can also see a gede or a duck, a dog, a camel, at par with the black man or the negro that was very common at that time as well. Right. So yes. So we can go from this side and see other representations from Dharwa again. So this is a Gede. Yeah. So according to the Santal mythology, we come from the geese. Hai. So, and from the eggs evolved the first man and the woman, the first Pilchu Haram and Pilchu Buri. So this is a representation by the Christian missionaries, who also had the agenda of spreading Christianity. Right. So here you can see the translation, and it says that during harvesting, the Santals go to their family friends and all. We also go to our family friends, but we don't drink as much as the Santals do. So we don't want to be related to the Santals. So this is how the representation of a Gede in the form of a duck or a geese is imparted to the Santal community of like 1934.
I don't know how
Right.
language travels, but this Gede means da, and in German it's called Gänse.
Okay, it's Gede. So here's another very interesting one. So this is from 1931. So this shows the Kabliwala, and who used to come at that time as well. And here this is also in form of a dhanda, where it has two faces. So it's telling the people, the readers, to find out the two faces. So one is a very loving one, and one is a very ferocious one. So see if you can find that.
Actually, see the cap, it looks so Chinese style.
Eta ulto dike. So if you see it upside down, it will be the dadi.
It's upside down.
Okay.
Yeah. So as I was also saying that publication was very rare. Even now, it's a very difficult process. So, but in the 1970s, here, Pochim Bangla was published from West Bengal. And a bit early, in 1968, if I'm not wrong, the Bihar government had started publishing. So the Bihar government published for the Santal audience in Devanagari, and the Pochim Bangla or the Pochim Bangla was published in the Bangla script again. Again, this we will see number of publications which have addressed different issues of that time. So here in this book, this issue of 1st April 1970, you can see the death of Joypal Singh, which who is a public figure, and they are declaring it in this. Other than this, there are poems, short stories, essays, and news as well. Munda. No. In the Santal Parganas. Santal Parganas. Santal Parganas. Yeah. So the next you can actually come from that side. So here you will see 1971 horror, also Santal. How to write Santali in Bangla and what is the logic behind it. This issue talks about the use of Bangla script in writing Hor or Santali. Okay.
ওখানে হাবশি ওর লেখা ছিল মানে হাবশি সাঁতার
No, basically Hor can be loosely translated as man or person, and Santals call themselves Hor Hopon. Hor Hopon. So Hopon is like children of men, similar, right? So not Santal. Santal is a given name again by non-Santals.
yeah that's what
Yeah. So here Pochim Bangla looks at Shidhu Kanu and remembering in 1970 a poem by Bandira Murmu. So you will find several poems and songs as well written on Hul, right? On Sidhu Kanu, Chand, Bhoiro, you'll find. Yeah. So we'll just take a short break and get inside this room since it's here. So this documentary is available online. Okay. This is called Hul Shengel. So in 2013, a researcher from East Anglia, Daniel Rycroft, he had come and interviewed the people of Bhognadki. So there was one point where the Hul was not really remembered or discussed or talked about, but the woman in the descendant of basically the Shidhu and Kanu, they were recollecting how it was different and how if you look at the very first thing you will find it. So this is the change that one can see of the space in Bhognadki as well.
Daniel Rycroft made this film.
Along with others as well, yeah. She is one of the descendants of Shidhu and Kanu. And this is the place now where they have built a memorabilia. Yeah. Bhognadki?
In 2013
No, there's nothing to memorize it. I mean, like in the mind of your memorial children. Right. But this is the lady. The consciousness was definitely there. Yeah. So we'll move.
ᱤᱧᱟᱹᱜ ᱧᱩᱛᱩᱢ ᱛᱩᱥᱟᱨ ᱦᱟᱸᱥᱫᱟ ᱢᱩᱨᱥᱤᱫᱟᱵᱟᱫ ᱠᱷᱚᱱ ᱟᱨ ᱱᱤᱛᱚᱜ ᱫᱚ PhD ᱤᱧ ᱠᱚᱨᱟᱣᱫᱟ ᱡᱟᱫᱚᱵᱯᱩᱨ ᱤᱭᱩᱱᱤᱵᱷᱟᱨᱥᱤᱴᱤ ᱨᱮ ᱢᱤᱫ ᱥᱮᱨᱢᱟᱧ ᱦᱩᱭᱱᱟ 2022 ᱨᱮᱧ ᱡᱚᱭᱮᱱ ᱠᱟᱫᱟ ᱡᱟᱫᱚᱵᱯᱩᱨ ᱤᱭᱩᱱᱤᱵᱷᱟᱨᱥᱤᱴᱤ ᱦᱤᱥᱴᱨꯤ ᱰᱤᱯᱟᱨᱴᱢᱮন্ᱴ ᱨᱮ ᱟᱨ ᱤᱧᱟᱹᱜ রিসার্চ রিয়া টপিক তো হয়ে কোনা ক্যাথলিক মিশনারিজ আর সান্তাল को तालार कंपैरेटिव स्टडीज मेन जिनिस कटाñ फोकस दा कटा सिंद्रा रिया जे बांग सिंद्रा खना रे ना तो मेन उद्देश्य तो हुई कना जे क्रिश्चियन मिशनरी पर्टिकुलरली निर्दिष्ट भावे कैथलिक मिशनरीज निया संताल को तलार हेज कते चे डिफरेंस है कना से उनको इंटरेक्शन हुई कते पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव जे कल्चरल चेंज जे कस्टम्स को ना को चेंजेस प्लस पॉजिटिव तो हुई कना उनको निया एजुकेशन से उनको विभिन्न रकम सोशल सर्विस होते थे तिनकान चेंज है आनवारे चेक
तीन गान चेंज ऑफ करना
हाँ चेंज है चेंज इफेक्ट ना में निया प्राय इंजा मी सिनेमा हुईना कोर्स वर्किंग कंप्लीट कदा कमी दन तो ओनी आराम बे कमी दो बांग आराम बो कना कमी दो तो जस्ट प्रपोजल एम कना कमी दन तो बांग टॉपिक द चेंज हुई दाड़े जेहेतु निदा टेंटेटिव कना जे कोटा टॉपिक इन एम का न चेंज हुई दाड़े और पढ़ाव को तो इन जो के मुर्शिदाबाद री क्लाव कदा डॉन बॉस्को मिशन रे पढ़ाव कना क्लास 1 खय क्लास 10 स्टैंडर्ड दबी तापर 11 12 पढ़ाव कना मध्य प्रदेश रे या कॉमर्स रे पढ़ाव कना बांगनी दो पढ़ाई लेदा रिसर्च दो टाइम ते उन पढ़ाव 11 12 पढ़ाव कना ये रे मध्य प्रदेश रे कॉमर्स नहीं तापर मास्टर यूजी एंड पीजी कराव कदा चेन्नई रे मद्रास यूनिवर्सिटी हिस्ट्री रे 11 12 कॉमर्स रे यूजी पीजी हिस्ट्री रे तब 2018 साल रे जादवपुर रे भर्ती ना तो इतिहास डिपार्टमेंट तो कोरोना समय कंप्लीट कदा तब तो पीएचडी भर्ती होना 2022 पढ़ाव चला कोर्स वर्क पढ़ाव चला कोर्स वर्किंग कंप्लीट कदा कोर्स वर्क कंप्लीट करते नितो रिसर्च कटा ओरिजिनल रिसर्च करा हुई तो आराम भी
रिसर्च से चला
हाँ रिसर्च चला कमी आराम भी ओरिजिनल कमी कटा